You so today we got a package from Supreme.
Got my brother opening both of these today, since he got his own package.
Yes sir, yes sir. So look, we're gonna do it just like this. We got a jersey for him. Y'all see how these coming? I ain't gonna take it out the package yet. We got the orange Supreme with the S on it. Yes.
That's logo.
Hold on. We got another Supreme
The
hoodie.
Supreme stickers. What sticker they got? The regular red one.
We got another Supreme hoodie. Well, this one actually is a jacket.
Yeah, this is a work jacket.
The hoodie. Feel me? Now we're gonna take this one out. Show y'all what it look like in the inside. You feel me?
You could take the jersey out too.
Now this right here, this that denim, shorty. Yeah. Thrasher on the back, straight to hell. If you feel me, straight to hell. You feel me?
Show them the front.
Show on the front. Nice little shadid. You feel me?
And it come with the hood.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that design is too raw. You gotta come over here and put that in that Vega.
Hey, hit that light, Alex.
Hey, that right there. Look at that. That design. Straight to hell.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Now.
No, don't take that up. Don't.
No?
No, take the other one up.
This is our jersey. So we had to get one of these. Like we play for Supreme or something. Oh. That Marshawn Lynch 24. Supreme. Not gonna lie to you. They should have put something on the front though.
Yeah, they should have.
That would have made it clap. But the Supreme Marshawn Lynch 24, definitely do it. And in the Saints colors, that ain't gonna count. Slight
They had the blue one. I was thinking about getting the blue one.
Slight do it. Now, we got another package. Gotta hurry up and take it out because we got addresses on this one.
So this the package my brother got for himself. He ended up getting 2 tees.
2 tees with a Supreme sticker, you know.
So it looked like they ain't do no crazy stickers.
No, they ain't do no crazy stickers this time. They ain't even seen none of that.
And that's kind of bogus, Supreme. It's kind of bogus. I'm hoping for some Supreme Jordan stickers. So
now we got the Thrasher Supreme shirts. Wait, let's put this on the table.
Something on the front.
I think so. We got white and black. Then we got orange and black. You know, I had to do the Halloween colors on God. But that orange on black. That black on that orange. Thrasher. Supreme. Yes. And that right there, that's our little haul.
Quarter $600 spent on this week.
$600 spent. Jerseys, sweaters, jackets, everything you can imagine, man. Straight to hell.
I'm gonna do a try on, so I'm probably put this in a video. I'm probably gonna try the jersey on too and the shirt. So I'll let y'all know.
Peace.
Jersey. So I'm trying on the jersey just to see how it fit. Fits good.
Yeah, I'm definitely putting that on.
I'm trying the work jacket after this, after my brother trying the Supreme shirts.
Oh, sure. Oh God, this is like the orange you eat. That's more of like a reddish orange.
So this is the Supreme Thrasher tees.
Why is it so hard to get a therapeutic t-shirt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we got the orange ones. We got the black one. Hey. I ain't gonna cap. I'm slight liking this, and I got the polo socks on already. Orange, crazy.
Gotta turn it. So we got the work jacket. Gonna try it on. Honestly, it feels good on the inside. I wonder what type of material it is on the inside.
Feel like suede.
I think it might be canvas.
Ooh.
We got pockets on the side here, one up here, 2 over here, and then we got some on the inside. Actually, we only got 1 on the inside, but Let you guys see the back here. Let you guys see how it looks zipped up. My bad. Let's move quick.
That's straight to hell.
Fuck.